Good morning, Instagram. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Twitter. How's everybody feeling today? It is the 21st. And ladies and gentlemen, I actually considered taking a buy on pound yen, but I just decided not to because I was just like, it's rather not take no buy on that. I'd rather just wait. Price action looked relatively well. We did break this resistance here. We got a pretty clean range up here, but honestly, this would kind of scare me. I was like, it's so close from this. We could easily reject, but didn't end up turning out being the case. But I am liking how gold is printing right now. I am most likely going to try and enter a sell. The only thing I have in the back of my head is this. Uh, I got to keep this in the back of my mind that, we could potentially reject this area and, would like to create a support and maybe continue up. But we are at super high price levels right now. So I can kind of see price wanting to go back down to the 1700 level, but it's all in speculation. We're just gonna have to just take it as it goes, and we'll just see. But if this candle does end up closing bearish, most likely I'm gonna go ahead and enter it. Just get my position ready. So hopefully there's a bottom wick, because I don't like entering candles with no range wicks. That's not the best formula. So we got pretty much 26, 27. Whoa, took a buy. Whoa, it's close for whoa. This is not. I wanted to take a sell. What the fuck? I could have sworn that was a sell, but I guess not. Let's see. So 260. Let's go. Open trade. Boom. Yeah. Wow. That was real crazy. Not what I expected. Whoa. Hey, what up, buddy? What up, Mario? Damn, you just saw me on stream. Fuck up, mad. I was like, I entered a sell, and I'm looking at my shit. I'm like, how am I in profits right now? And I looked and I saw took a accidental buy. I was like, what the fuck? Had my parameters fucked up. That would have been terrible. So right here on this position, I have a pretty big stop loss, honestly. Well, not really, 25 pips, but 25 pips. Once we get 25 pips, we have to secure 1-to-1. So looking to once I hit 25 pips, uh, gonna go ahead and close 90% of the position and let the rest run. But yeah, bro, shit, that shit was goofy as fuck. I was just like, what the fuck? Had me so confused at first. It was just that early morning shit. Um, I don't know if you saw this, Mario, but man, GJ looked like it was gonna play out really well. I saw it break this resistance here, and personally, I didn't want to enter it just because if I looked on, if I go back over here, if we look at GJ, honestly, dude, it looks so good. Like right here, 7 o'clock, 7:30, New York session, boom, that shit shot up. But what scared me to buy it was this right here. I was like, being GJ doesn't move as much. It was kind of, I don't know. It's like I just didn't feel so confident with it. Even this play, I'm only selling it relatively, bro, because obviously it's the first start of our resistance here. We've rejected this area plenty of times. I feel confident that it should push down. The only worry I do got with this trade, and I said it before I entered, was this little consolidation right here. If we start trading below this like area, I'd feel much better about it. But as of right now, it's still just like, even though we're on profits right now, it's like it has not broken past this 18, 15, 55 level. Once it starts trading below this level, I'd feel a little bit more confident we can hit, you know what I'm saying, 25 pips or at least closer to our take profit. Um, so those are kind of my thoughts, at least with this trade. You know what I'm saying? Wow, GJ is fucking going crazy though. Dude, yeah, and it is pushing, bro. My God. I mean, you can see it on the right, boy. That motherfucker going. I mean, thank God, you know, gold's low key somewhat playing in our favor. Not yet. I don't want to speak too soon. But dude, wow. Like pound yen really surprised me. I didn't think it was gonna be that volatile. I really didn't think so. I mean, I've had moments where it's definitely done me well, so I can't say it hasn't been as volatile, but I've been really enjoyed trading gold recently. Oh, it's the boys. Got the boys. Oh my God. Hey, if anybody's in pound yen, bro, good fucking shit, dude. I didn't have no balls to enter it, to be honest. I got a little scared because I saw a little bitch ass resistance. Or excuse me, I saw a previous support. That's why I stayed away from it. But wow, dude. Anybody that entered pound yen, dude, round of applause for you, dude. That shit's going crazy right now. I need to get a little soundboard, bro. Just like my nigga Raha Banks, bro. I need to set out with that. Woo! the clapping noise, nigga. I need that shit. Cause bro, that shit, I ain't gonna lie, pound yen's looking crazy. I'm looking at the trade I'm in now. I'm thinking, fuck, I just can't wait for the bitch to hit 25 pips. Hey, but if it don't. You know what I'm saying? I can't even trip. I can't even trip. Crazy though, cause I actually considered buying that motherfucker though. I'm not gonna lie, I really did. I was like, it looks so good, but then literally saw that little resistance. I was like, but being pound yen, bro, probably gonna reject on that shit. Probably not gonna push up as much. I was thinking it only probably gonna push up like 20 pips. Fuck no, that shit blew up. That shit blew up, dude. And now I'm over here bullshitting with fucking gold a little bit. Oof. We started relatively trading below that, which is good, but now at this point, I really like to see that candle close. Still early in the candle. You know what I'm saying? Oof. If I wasn't mistaken, I think it's 25 pips. Yeah, 25 pips. I got 25 pip stop loss, so I gotta hit a 25 pip play today. Shit, shit, mate. Can we get that pushed down? Yeah, man. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. Yeah, though, man. It's let's hope for the best here. You know, I feel confident within this trade personally. I mean, it's with so much consolidation up here. I mean, it's already at 1800s. You know, price level seems really high at the moment. I feel like we're gonna want to trade back down between like the lower 1800s, like high 1700s. It's kind of my assumption. If it happens or not, we gonna see, right? But damn, I ain't gonna lie. Every time I look at gold or pound yen, I'm just thinking in my head, that's a couldn't have been a smoother play for the guy that bought that bitch. I mean, talk about risk free, bro. He's risk free within that first 30-minute candle. That's a nice trade over there. This one, still feel confident, still feel good, but I will say, seeing how quick pound yen moving over there, seeing me playing around with 10 pips right now, got me a little shook. Got me a little butt hurt. I'm a little bit like, damn, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to just, come on, baby, give me this little 25 real quick. That's all I need. But you know what I'm saying? Hey, gotta stay patient. Fuck it, is what it is. It's trading. Man, I'm just glad you didn't hop on when I first hopped on this mug, bro. I literally was meaning to enter a sell, bro. My ass accidentally put a buy. Accidentally. I was looking at it all confused. I'm like, how am I in profits if it's going up? I was like, what the fuck? And then, like, because I was expecting to be in drawdown because I thought I sold it. And I'm like in profits, I'm like looking at it like hella confused. Like, was the spread fucked up? I'm like, what's going on? And then I looked, I saw it said buy. I was like, what the fuck? I closed that shit instantly. Close that shit instantly. Oh, there we go. There we go. See if we can keep pushing down. If we can push down and break past this, honestly, if we break past this, I feel real confident. We can break past this wick right here. Literally the wick. We should be able to hit at least our 1-to-1. I'm not gonna say we can hit full take profit, but I feel confident we hit our 1-to-1 once we break past this level here. Uh, 18, 15, 55 is pretty important in my opinion. If we don't break past that, I don't know. I don't know. We're gonna have to see. Oh my goodness. Oh, there we go. Starting to creep on it there. Come on, baby. Just a little bit further, we can break that wick. That'd be lit. Getting all quiet because I got my fingers on my close custom and stop loss at break even. I feel like once I hit my 1-to-1, I just at that point I don't even care to trail my stop loss. I'm just taking it break even once I hit my 1-to-1. It's kind of been my strategy so far. I'm seeing how that's working. I used to be trading real ass backwards. I'd have been like, closing, with some profits right now just because I'm up 10 pips. But that's not the move, man. You gotta have a good R to R, and I was fucking up my R to R, and that's the reason why my account is where it's at. Because the times I have winning trades, it all is good. But the second I start having a bad week, the bad week would eat me up. And those are the reasons why, because I was taking profit too early and having a backwards R to R. So if we still yet to break that candle. So what it's doing right now, honestly, in my opinion, is pretty expected. I mean, not really. It is what it is, you know. Um, but once we break past that candle, at that point, I'm really anticipating that, with volume, everything, we got NYC coming up. NYC coming up, it's critical that this candle closes bearish. If this candle closes bullish by any means, oh, dude, I'm out of it. Because NYC, that shit can straight continue right where it wants to go. So it's like, fuck that. But if it closes bearish, fuck yeah, I'm feeling pretty good, especially with NYSE coming up. So far, so good, right? I mean, feel relatively decent with the entry that I have, but I will be honest. NYSE closed, boy, and them motherfucker bullish. Hell to the nah. That's a scary deal right there. But personally though, it's never really scary because I'm using dynamic risk. It's only 1.5%. I used to try in 50% positions, but I don't do that no more because like it's stupid to do it. Only time you want to do that is if you're using static risk. And static risk is just risking that full 3%. You know, if I'm risking the full 3%, bro, if I'm like half in drawdown, yeah, at that point I'm gonna 50% the position, try and make myself lose less. But if it's 1.5%, I need to let that hit my whole ass stop loss. You know what I'm saying? Like I just gotta let that shit play out. That's one thing I gotta say has been actually really lit about it. Is because it's just like a real like stress free thing. Like I've already accepted like bro, if I lose this, I lose this. You know what I'm saying? Like it is what it is. But I got high confidence in the trade still. You know what I'm saying? It's not like I'm just entering shit just to enter shit. I still got high confidence within the trade, but at the same time it's feels good knowing that like hey, saying fuck it, like if that bitch goes up in drawdown, like I can hold that bitch all the way until hopefully, you know what I'm saying, just plays back in my favor, right? But um yeah, it just feels a little bit better knowing like if I go in drawdown, it's like hey, if it hits a stop loss, it's a stop loss. And I got my stop loss at a pretty smart point that if it started trading above that, you know, obviously everybody in the chat here, Mario and Paul would probably agree like yeah, if it hit the stop loss, probably looking to be bullish at that point. Curious to see how this 15-minute candle goes. I'm really hoping the 15-minute helps us out. You know what I'm saying? This 15-minute can't open up and come right to our shit, bro. Come right to our shit. That's something I wouldn't like. And it also doesn't give me the best confidence because we're not closing, this 15 minutes not closing below this. It's got me thinking, dude. It's got me thinking. I'll say that. We are starting to trade above that level. I don't know. We will see. I wanted to break it down. I want to see how this 15 minutes gonna react. Yeah, bro. I haven't even checked the 4 hour just yet, but honestly, let me go do that. Cause like if it goes to John, it goes to John. I really just I don't care. You know what I'm saying? I really don't care. That's how I gotta feel about it. Yeah, hopefully that 4 hour wants to push down a little bit more. Man, I ain't gonna lie, it'd be lit, bro. Mario, Brandon, and Paul. That shit would be crazy. All the niggas tapped in. Everybody hitting their own trades. That should be lit. And all I gotta say, man, I wish everybody the best of luck. I hope everybody win their positions. Fuck, I don't give a shit. Hope everybody win. But damn, bro, I'm not gonna lie. This like 30-minute wise looks all good, but wow, it's like I've been struggling to hit this 25 pips, man. This 15-minute don't seem to like me too much. Is this the moment? Am I gonna feel like the homie? Oh, oh! Look at gold. Motherfucker just starts melting, bro. That shit be lit. I ain't gonna lie. That shit low key. That shit how I feel though, boy. That shit do push your way. It's like, oh, nigga, that shit feels so good. My nigga DA. That nigga cracks me up when he goes in profits, bro. That nigga gets me hype, and I'm not even in the same position as that nigga sometimes. I'll be like, damn, this nigga going crazy. He be, oh, oh. Nigga, that shit has me so weak. Dude, goddamn, these are violent rejections, boy. That bitch comes down, motherfucker. Whoa, nigga, yanks back up. Boy, I don't like that shit. That does not look cool. Push down for a player, man. Come on. Shit. At this point, been playing with me so long, I don't even know. This 15 minutes going crazy, dude. The main thing is that 30-minute close is bearish. That's all I gotta say. If that 30-minute can close bearish and I'm still in profits, dude, I'm totally willing to like hold this. But I'm not gonna lie, 10 minutes, 11 minutes, oh my god, it feels like an eternity from now. I'm not even gonna lie, it feels like a long time. What up, Brody? What up, Grinch? Good to see you, man. Holding a fairly risky position at this point, buddy. Um, really hoping that our 30-minute candle can hold and close bearish, but I ain't gonna lie, it's rejecting like a mug. Yeah, this next candle close is gonna be super important because it ain't looking so hot right now. I'm still gonna hold at this point, personally. If it closes bullish, no matter where it's at, I'm closing. I'm closing. So far, it looks like it could be hopping against us at this point. But let me see it, my boy. I hope y'all motherfuckers win your trades, cooling in at work. Just blew $50 on CAD yen buy. Yeah, man, it's no worries, man. As long as it's if $50 is your 1.5%, bro, that's all you can. You know what I'm saying? That's all you can't be mad at yourself. Now, if you're over leveraging your account, you know what I'm saying? I don't know how much you have necessarily in your account, but you just want to make sure that you're doing the best you can to, at the most every day, bro. In my opinion, the most smart thing to do would be risking 3% a day. You know what I'm saying? If you're 3% a day, bro, you're leaving yourself a lot of trades for your account, for everything like that, to get the experience you need to become profitable, to become consistent, all those type of things. I will say, man, if anybody did catch that pound yen buy, I considered it. I did not enter it. Um, I did not enter due to certain reasons. I didn't enter because I saw a previous support that that I assumed would eventually become a resistance. So I was like, you know what, fuck that shit. Stayed out of it. Stayed out of it, and honestly, could have been 30 times better than the trade I'm in right now. The trade I'm in right now, not gonna lie, my boy Grinch, it is looking rough so far. We were up like 15, 16 pips. But thing is, my take profit is gotta be at 25 pips. I have to hit 25 pips. I don't hit 25 pips, I can't do shit with taking profit. Reason why is because my stop loss is 25 pips, right? I want to be able to make sure I'm securing a 1-to-1. We got 7 minutes, and I'm not gonna lie, this candle's looking terrible. It is not looking like it's playing in my favor so far. So, like I said, in my back of my head, I hold this position if it closes bearish. I am closing this position if this candle closes bullish as support. Done. I ain't even playing with it. And even if it closed bullish and then just melted down, hey, that's just trading, bro. It is what it is. But I'd rather take my precautions than just losing like that. I'll take a loss, nigga, if this closes bearish. You know what I'm saying? Closes bearish and then I'm expecting it to go down and it goes up, right? I mean, I'll take that loss. It is what it is. I'm already expecting to lose this. If anytime I enter a trade, I'm expecting to lose that stop loss. You know, you can't. If you don't expect that, then you gotta. Then you're not on the understanding that trading is about probability. You know what I'm saying? If you understand trading is about probabilities, you'd accept your loss a lot easier, knowing that it's only 1.5%. It's like, fuck it, it's not that big of a deal. And 1.5% only goes up with the account. So it's like, in my opinion, I like what I got in my account because I want to showcase, 1600's a reasonable amount. Nigga, you could work at fucking McDonald's, dog. You know what I'm saying? You work at McDonald's, bro. Save your fucking bread. Eventually, you'd have about 1,000, 1,600, right? Put that shit in there. Make that shit work. I love people that do funded accounts. Don't get me wrong. More power to you, bro. If you pass your challenge, you do your funded shit. Man, 100K to trade with. Of course, that's a lot better than trading with fucking 1,600. But personally, I want to showcase the ability that you can just have a regular job. You know what I'm saying? Make sure that you block out time to make sure you can trade a certain session, whether that's New York, Asian, or London. Make sure you find a session you can trade in. Find one or two pairs that you really like to trade. Stick to those one or two fucking pairs. Don't fucking trade everything. Just stick to one or two pairs and then see where that takes you. You know what I'm saying? Just come here every day, bro. Make a trade, study, practice what you learn, and then shit. Eventually, you're just gonna become good. I mean, just like anything. It's just anything in life's practice. Like, if someone's good at something, it's because they got more time into it than you. And shout out to Mario, bro. He's got good. He's got hopes for us. So I got hopes that this motherfucking candle closes. I got hopes this candle closes bearish for my sake. I really like to kind of hold this position, to be honest. I don't want to close it just yet. God damn, that's just a terrible way to close. I was really hoping it closed a little better than that. We got a nice liquidity wick though. I will say that. If it closes bearish, like at least we got a liquidity wick. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, ooh. 4 minutes though. We got 4 minutes. It's okay. If these 4 minutes just keep continuing fucking bullish, I'd suck. But like, is what it is. I think today is gonna be a one trade type of day. I think win or lose on this position, I'm only gonna take one position. Sometimes I take two. Sometimes I take just one. I think today's gonna be a one type of trade day. Just trying to save liquidity or not liquidity, save some capital. You know what I'm saying? At this point, trade's not looking so great, to be honest, as y'all can see. Um, and the reason why I say this is just not good because we're getting close to the closing of this candle, and if we're gonna start closing bullish, yikes, dude, yikes, yikes, yikes. Gold could easily start pushing up. This is crazy. I'm not gonna lie. This looks crazy as shit. I'm like in the verge between doing two things. This is crazy, dog. It's like I'm in the verge of holding, I'm in the verge of just closing. And we got pretty much like a minute left, like a minute and some seconds. Yeah, a minute 30. Mm. And like I said, if it closes bullish, like I'm gonna just close it. But like it could easily play out still. Like I could close it if it closes bullish and the sell actually could still play out. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna say it can't. But the thing is, I'm gonna close personally because if it does that, I'm already assuming it's gonna try and hit my 1820, you know? So at that point, why would I want it to hit my stop loss? I could just lose less. You know what I'm saying? Come back tomorrow, be alright. But if it closes bearish like this, man, I'm gonna hold it for the long run. And then at that point, if it starts going into my stop loss, man, I chose to stay in it. If it's my 1.5%, it's my 1.5%. But I got hopes, man, for NYSE, baby, and that's what I wanted to see you right there. That's hey, I got my confidence has been slightly regained. Now it would be more regained if we could start trading below 1815. We have yet to trade below 1815.55 for the whole time. So that's been my biggest complaint with this whole trade. If once we're able to break this wick, we can break past this 1815.55, bro. At that point, I feel very smooth that not that we're gonna hit full take profit. I feel smooth that we hit our 1-to-1, and that 1-to-1 is 25 pips. We are now 13 pips profit. Okay, it's not that much up until, you know what I'm saying, we get that 25. So it's like hopefully we can make it happen here. I am expecting there's gonna be a top wick here. 100%. We could have a top wick all the way up here. You know what I'm saying? The price could push all the way up here and then boom, start flooding back down. So I'm honestly holding it the whole way. I don't give a shit at this point. We close. I have high anticipation NYSE is gonna do it in for us. This is New York Stock Exchange, fellas, ladies and gentlemen. So this NYSE volume, what the fuck? This NYSE volume should kick in with the momentum. We should be able to get our 1-to-1. Especially if we're able to close below 1815.55. Come on, baby. That's all I'm trying to see. At this point, everything like right now, I'm already expecting to lose. I really don't. You know what I'm saying? The price hasn't really pushed where I want it to go, and it's okay. You know what I'm saying? I'm more in that mindset, prepared. You know what I'm saying, for that drawdown type shit. But hey, we'll just see what happens. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, at this moment, I can expect it to bring get a wick going to the top side. You know what I'm saying? Get a good get a good liquidity wick up on the top, and then we'll start pushing down. That's what I think. It's funny, I've been in this position for a fat minute, but every time I look at pound yen, I'm just looking at the positions I could have took, and I'm just like, wow, I could have been profitable on a buy and a sell at this point. While I'm still in this gold trade trying to manage it. Like, oh. It's crazy because, dude, there's some days where I'm like, bro, fucking pound yen sucks. And then it's always the day I say that is when I trade it, right? And then when I trade gold, you know what I'm saying? 9 times out of 10, I ain't gonna lie, it'd be beautiful, you know what I'm saying? Really be moving, but the days I don't trade pound yen, bro, that motherfucker just be going crazy. Like, what the fuck? Pound yen had some really easy trades this morning. And here I am making my life a little bit more difficult. But it's okay, though, you know, it's okay. But hey, Grinch, bro, I just want to tell you, man, if you're still up in here, man, thank you for tapping back into the stream, bro. I really appreciate you coming back and tuning in. I know it's not the most exciting podcast at the moment, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to, build my community and whatnot, you know what I'm saying? Eventually, I like to get some, you know what I'm saying, people up on here as a host, you know what I'm saying? People really, do this shit frequently, got a name for themselves already on the platform, you know what I'm saying? I would like to do something like that one day. Um, but it all comes in with the time, you know what I'm saying? Um, but yeah, no, I think that'd be really cool, you know what I'm saying? Have like two traders, hosting something, you know what I'm saying? One's in another trade, one's in another trade. We just talk about it, you know what I'm saying? Talk about our ideas, what we're gonna do. Yes, sir. I appreciate that, buddy. It's good to see you, though. Man, I can't lie, chat. Yesterday, wow, I checked out my stream. Oh my god, what an embarrassment. I caught a nice play yesterday, not gonna lie. I definitely caught like a 1.5% position that day. Uh, but yesterday, boy, I was tired as a mug, dude. I was slumping on the stream. Oh my god, I looked at my video. There's a moment, bro, like just looking up like this, bro, just like, I was like, damn, dog. Someone gonna catch me slipping. Oh man, so fortunately we might be looking at, hey, hopefully we can just create a nice little wick here. You know what I'm saying? Looks like we're starting to come above. And like I told y'all, we're not trading below the 1815. It's making it difficult. It's making it difficult. So this is almost expected. Now can we finally get that push I've been looking for? You know what I'm saying? Is this the moment? It's crazy to think how many emotions are, going on right now within the markets. Like, so many different people are buying, so many different people are selling right now. It's just like, it's just crazy to think. And here I am just chilling with a sell. Like, you know what I'm saying? Motherfuckers probably going crazy buying and shit, doing a whole bunch of shit, just getting FOMO, freaking out. They don't understand what to do. Man, you gotta chill back and understand, bro. You take that loss, boy. It is what it is. Hold your bias, hold your analysis. You know what I'm saying? Just keep it simple. Keep it simple. I feel like it's making a nice wick, if I'm being honest with y'all. It's making a nice wick. The only time I might start worrying a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, if we start trading like above 18, 18.45, then at that point I might be a little bit like, ah, not looking so hot. That's right now though. Pretty expected. Lately, I haven't been updating my Instagram too with my highlights. I've had two good positions both days, but I just forgot to like update it to my Instagram. Um, I don't know. I'm also trying to figure out maybe what I want to do. You know what I'm saying? Do I just keep posting highlights every single day? Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. I think I should do that. You know what I'm saying? And I just don't know though. You know what I'm saying? So NYSE is actually taking it the other way for me right now. But we'll see though. We still could be just making a wick, to be honest. Obviously, we're trading very bullish at this point. Could easily just start trading against us completely. But if that is the case, oh well. And then, like I told y'all, once we start trading above that area, it got me a little nervous. So at this point, yeah, I'm more of expecting a loss at this point because starting to trade above that level. Don't know how much this is gonna be holding in my favor. to anybody that's not trading with dynamic risk on this position, I either hope maybe you secured a little bit of profits while we were in profits, maybe lessen the risk if you're not doing dynamic risk. You know what I'm saying? But if you got dynamic risk, well, shit, we shouldn't be tripping, man. If it hits our stop loss, it hits our stop loss. That's literally how I feel about it right now. I'm gonna be on this stream for a little bit. I feel it. Cause personally, I just don't know. Something tell me it's not. It doesn't want to hit. Something tells me. And if I'm being honest, I don't know. Like, obviously, could just hit my stop loss. But like I said, it's a lot of consolidation right here. This candle could close bullish, but bro, our next candle could just literally give the push we need down. Could be that nice ass bearish candle that just gives us the push we want down. But yeah, that 1815, that's a key level, man. That is a key level. We've yet to break past that, and I 100% feel that's why we haven't. The play hasn't played in our favor. We've been respecting those 30-minute rejections, and if we're respecting those, this is the result. You know what I'm saying? This is the result. Um, that's why at this point I'm not really tripping. You know what I'm saying? Now if we would have broke past that, now I might have closed. You know what I'm saying? Like pretty much like a stop loss break even type of play. But I didn't end up doing that because we didn't even break where I was expecting to break, and so I was kind of pretty much expecting to go back and draw down. Just gotta keep your nerves calm and just let price do its thing. Hey yo, Grinch, if you're still here, buddy, I just want to quickly say if you got a magic keys, bro, let me know, yes or no, if you got a magic keys. If you trade with a magic keys, brother, you're in the right direction. Not gonna lie. It don't even matter what pair you trade. I think it's important for every trader to have it. And not just because you can execute positions so quickly and, modify shit. Obviously, that's like a huge plus to the magic keys. Like, probably one of them number one thing. But the number one thing about magic keys is that it calculates the position for you. It calculates your lot sizes. It calculates, um, yeah, it calculates everything. Like, if you want to risk 5% and then your dynamic risk is 2.5%, you can easily do that. Yeah, man, if I was you, look it up, man. Look it up. Super, super helpful. Wow, pound yen's just going crazy, bro. This whole time I've been trying to manage this position, and every time I look at pound yen, it's just like, wow, it's just going beautifully. The buys and the sells. I mean, you would have sold top of that resistance, bro. You'd be in deep profits right now. Same if you would have bought where you needed to buy. I mean, it's like, yeah, it's pound yen had a hell of a day. Gold, mm, not so much. Not so much so far. At this point, I'm just kind of like expecting it to hit my stop loss, really. Got a ton of time though. Holy. Looking at the time, boys. That's one thing I gotta say about trading, man. Even though it'll be 30 minutes, holy smokes, when you sitting there waiting for it, damn, 30 minutes be feeling like a long time. Shit, looking at that shit, just knowing that's 20 minutes, bro, is like, damn. Can we get that push? Oh my god, no wonder. I was just like, why is this printing a new candle? Makes sense. Oh, that 15 minutes coming in, boy. A 15-minute might want to come from my stop loss. He's coming up. Think what that's what's going on right there. Or can this 15-minute be on my side? Can this 15 minute say, you know what? Fuck this buy. It just starts pushing down. We gonna see. We gonna see. I think once I guarantee, like I'm probably gonna lose, is like if it breaks the 30-minute rejection. That's when I'm gonna like just be like, yep, just gonna accept it at that point. You know what I'm saying? 100%. But so far, you know what I'm saying? So far, still good so far. I mean, obviously, the confidence in my trade has been lessened due to this bullish candle, but still within the parameters, so we'll see what happens. Uh-oh. Could be coming up for it. Yes, sir. Sorry, folks, been pretty quiet. I'm just got a lot of things going through my head. I'm kind of just thinking in my head if I want to close full, if this candle closes, or did I just hold it? You know what I'm saying? Obviously, if I hold it, it's a good chance, being bullish as now. I'm just probably gonna hit my stop loss. So it's like, part of me is like, should I close full because, you know, could just lose less. Obviously, if I just close full here, because less than what I anticipated, it's less than the 1.5%. So it helps out. But part of me also thinks with so much consolidation, that's like, we still got a decent chance that we can still keep trading bearish here. It could have just been not necessarily the wrong entry, but just, maybe the wrong time. You know what I'm saying? Because obviously the entry, in my opinion, was really solid. You know what I'm saying? It was the start of that resistance. We did end up going about 16 pips profit, but it wasn't my 1-to-1. So not being the 1-to-1, I got to hold it. Got 9 minutes till this candle closes. And it's pumping, boy. It's pumping. It's strong. Yeah, no, for sure, buddy. It's definitely looking like it's gonna be against me on this. We're already starting to trade above a certain level. Looking about like it's about to hit a boy's stop loss. Woo! It's nearing it. It's nearing it. It's nearing it right now, boy. Oh my god. Might hit stop loss before I can even fucking candle can close. Which would be okay. Saying it'll be what it is. Yeah, once it breaks that wick, boy, it's a wrap. I'm pretty much calling it good at that point. It's done. Yep, it's about to break it. It broke it right now. I'm done. I feel it. I feel it. I might just close here. Yeah, I'm just gonna close full. Just gonna just take it like I take it as a loss. You know what I'm saying? I could have waited. Could have waited a little bit more, but I was like, the position looks like it's totally against me on this point. Um, So, ladies and gentlemen, today was a loss. Unfortunately, I couldn't get a dub. Yesterday, I was able to get a dub for you guys. Um, but today, I got bit in my ass. But not really though. It was honestly like not a big deal. I lost less than I anticipated, not by much, just a little bit. But regardless though, hey, we still here for another trade tomorrow. I'm feeling good for another trade tomorrow. I will say, looking at pound yen today, ooh, could have been a very profitable day. Um, both positions look like they'd play out well, though I will say pound yen looked like it's gonna play out good. I was just kind of scared over a little thing that now that I see, I just like with New York session volume being the the New York session start, I need to enter that. Um, this one, um, still I felt good with what I got into it. It's just one of those things where that's just the probability thing with it. Not every trade you're gonna be able to win in trading, even if the setup looks right. That's just how it is. But with pound yen though, oof, could have been real nice day. But either way, we're gonna be here tomorrow, so I'm not really tripping too much. Take a look and see if we got any news. So tomorrow we ain't got nothing. But Friday though, we got price. Oh, I forgot what it's called. It's personal consumption expenditures. I think that's what it is. Yes, sir. Personal consumption expenditures. So tomorrow, we got a damn good day coming up. We got a damn good day coming up. Wow, what a surprise though. Like what a beast gold is though. Like 830, man. I was expecting, dude, 830, bro. That NYSE would have been able to push us to the downside, but it completely rejected off this. And like I said, it was so critical we fucking broke past that fucking 1815 level and we never did. That burns right here. This is what I needed. That's what I wanted to break right there. Price never broke that. You know what I'm saying? Price broke here, so clearly we're gonna hit my stop loss at. You know what I'm saying? Broke this wick, but I really wanted to break this wick right here. If we're able to break past that wick, but this candle pushed down, didn't end up doing that. I held the position, anticipating NYSE would give me the rest of that move down. Well, NYSE had other plans of turning bullish, which honestly I can't blame because like I said earlier, what has become a previous resistance usually becomes a support. What do we see right now? Obviously, we see it making a support. Clearly, this is a resistance. Price is broken past that. Once price breaks past the resistance, usually makes a support, and we've created a support. Can't, you know what I'm saying? Hey, it's beautiful. But knowing that tomorrow, well, not tomorrow. We ain't got nothing for tomorrow. So tomorrow we got some bullshit ass gross domestic product and gross domestic product and unemployment claims. Uh, that brings volume to the markets, but it don't go crazy. Like it don't give you those crazy ass pushes where it's like you feel like you need a buy and sell stop. It doesn't do anything like that, but still gonna be an interesting day. We're probably gonna get a good amount of spread. So regardless, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be pretty interesting to see how we can handle and manage those trades for tomorrow. But for today, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, guys, ladies and gentlemen, 1 to 2 trades a day. I took a loss today. So since I took that loss today, we're just going to call the stream for today and I'll be back tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for tapping in. Man, Mario, thank you so much for tapping into the stream today. It was super good seeing you, man. I always love all the inputs you guys got. Paul, thank you so much for tapping in. And hey, Grinch, bro. My nigga Grinch, shout out to you, bro. Thanks for tapping in again, bro. Tuning in with me. Tomorrow I'm gonna do my best, man, so I can get everybody, you know what I'm saying, relatively more of a profitable position, give a better mindset in regards to, you know, handling profitable trades more so. You know what I'm saying? Been seeing a lot of high handle drawdown. I ain't gonna lie, you've been seeing a lot of that. But you know what I'm saying? The point is, you know what I'm saying, I just want to showcase all the skills, everything it requires to be a trader. Trying to be as transparent as possible. Um, but yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I will be seeing you guys tomorrow in New York session. Should be starting about 7 o'clock Central Time. Sometimes lately I've been starting a little bit kind of like before I enter a play, so it's not too much waiting around. I don't like waiting around too much, bro, because you know, it's like I don't got too much popping for myself. And sometimes if it's a really slow morning and no one's in here, bro, it's really hard to figure out exactly what to talk about. So I'm just kind of waiting around for Price to do what it's gonna do. So lately I've been kind of starting the stream, not necessarily at 7 o'clock, more so about like 5 or 10 minutes before I'm about to enter a trade, depending on the setup. But regardless, guys, hey, thank you guys so much for tapping into my stream today. I really appreciate it. I hope everybody has a great rest of their day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's catch some more fucking plays. Let's get this fucking money. Don't fucking after this stream, bro. Hope everybody get on their hustle. Hope everybody go to a motherfucking job. Hope everybody doing something to get some money. That's what I'm finna do. Time to get to it, man. Hey, but check this out. Woo, crazy. That's crazy. But all right, I'm stopping the stream. Everybody have a good rest of their day. Ho Grinch, I'm telling you, man, take a look at Magic Keys. It'll help you out a whole bunch. I really believe it will. And yeah, man, let's keep going, man.